We begin with breaking news. The U.S. Supreme Court has reversed course on nearly 50 years of jurisprudence. The High Court's conservative majority overturned Roe v. Wade, returning the issue of abortion rights right back to the states, where a patchwork of policies is already rolling out. Skylar Henry has more from outside the court.
Demonstrators against abortion rights erupted in cheers after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. The mood outside the court highly charged with the release of the much-anticipated ruling.
We don't want to hear cheers about women being slammed back to the dark ages and all of society slammed backwards.
The conservative majority court sided with the state of Mississippi and its supporters in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. With their case, Mississippi officials asked the High Court to eliminate the constitutional right to abortion, first established in 1973.
This is a wonderful opportunity to return this to the people.
According to the Guttmacher Institute, which supports abortion rights, an estimated 26 states were either certain or likely to ban abortion if the High Court overturned or dismantled Roe. The decision here today is the outcome of decades-long lobbying by groups against abortion rights. The appointment of 3 conservative justices during the Trump administration made it a sudden reality.
We've been knowing this was going to go down since Kavanaugh.
The watershed ruling follows an unprecedented leak of a draft majority opinion that sparked protests, including some outside justices' homes. The leak has impacted the High Court from the inside out. Chief Justice John Roberts has ordered a full investigation. Today, Roberts did not join the 5 conservative justices or 3 liberals. He said, in his own opinion, he would have stopped short of ending the right to abortion. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Washington.
In the wake of the ruling, several lawmakers and others on both sides of the debate have been commenting on the matter, and among them, Pennsylvania Senator Bob Casey, who just tweeted, quote, "Guns should not have more rights than women in America." And Greensburg Catholic Diocese Bishop Larry Kulik, who released a statement saying, quote, "In part, although our language has evolved as science and technology have developed, the church's moral foundation on the issue of life from conception to natural death has never changed," end quote. With states now in the driver's seat on whether or not to ban abortion, the future of abortion in Pennsylvania certainly hinges on the governor's race. Republican candidate Doug Mastriano has said he would ban all abortions with no exceptions, and Democratic candidate Josh Shapiro has said he supports abortion rights. Governor Tom Wolf has vetoed several bills from the state legislature which would have restricted abortion rights right here in Pennsylvania. But if Mastriano becomes governor, he would likely sign any bills from the legislature that would restrict abortion rights. And stay with KDKA-TV, KDKA.com, and CBS News Pittsburgh for continuing coverage of the Supreme Court's ruling here overturning Roe v. Wade. We'll have team coverage beginning today at 4 o'clock with more local reaction and a closer look at the impact that this will have here on Pennsylvania.